Hi, this is Raman, and today I'm going to show you there are a few steps to configure WordPress on your local host server. So, firstly we have to prefer a, a server which will be helpful to configure your WordPress. It can be a Xampp server and one BAM server, so you can opt one of them. So I choose Xampp server because it is more efficient as compared to BAM server. So there are few steps which you have to follow to install WordPress on your Xampp localhost server. So there are two options which you have to follow for overall the process. So first one, there is an Apache server, and it's a server to run your WordPress and on localhost. And the second one is a MySQL, and it's a database which is helpful to create your database on a localhost server. So I just started both of them, and in the next one option I'll download a WordPress. I'll download a WordPress from Google, and you can download from a download WordPress, or it will be displayed on your screen, and you can easily download in your few steps. So always prefer a updated version of a WordPress. So now currently there is a 4.7.1 and it's a 4.71. So 4.7 is the latest version. So download this one, and I already had downloaded this WordPress. So I should prefer the WordPress. And when you will when you are using exam server, let me show you this one. So uh, a folder will be created in your C, and there will be htdocs, and the next one option is exam server. Here you have to place your WordPress. I just copy this folder and place to exam server. So it will take few seconds for copy. So these are the some easy steps which you have to follow to configure your WordPress on your local host server. Let me explain you again. There is C and open Xampp, and the next one is htdocs, and the next one option is Xampp, and again it's a WordPress. Okay, so I'll run localhost. So it's a dashboard of uh, Xampp Apache. So I'll write down an Xampp, enter. There is my folder which I had copied in Xampp folder. I write down, that's why I write down an Xampp. So click on WordPress. So the next one option is let's go. Oh, yeah. There is a few options which you have to follow, like database name, username, password. database host and table prefix. So one more thing which I want to explain you, you don't need any internet connection to run WordPress on your local host. So don't confuse about that. There is to create a database to fill a database name, we have to create database at our localhost server. So I just press localhost and slash php my admin. So php my admin is an option to create a database at my SQL server. So I'll just create database and press on databases. I'll just create WP. Okay, WP. I had created database and press on click create, and database WP is created at my local server. So I just press WP, and my username will be a root. Always you should prefer to a database with the name of WP or WordPress. Don't confuse about that. So and our username always will be a root, and the password will be blank. And your database host is localhost, and your table prefix is WP underscore. So submit this and run the install. So write down the SEO title. Username is SEO. Username is, I'll just prefer the Raman. Okay, and a password be with my name Raman, and confirm the email. So press your, write down your email fill. Okay, confirm to use a weak password. So localhost, you don't fear about that. Okay, it's your password will be hacked, so you can use any password. So install WordPress. Now remember that your username is Raman, and which you have created, and the password is SeoRamanArora. So install WordPress. It will take few minutes to configure. Okay, so there will be a username and password. I'll just log in, and it's Raman, and the password would be Raman Arora. Okay, remember that and log in. Yeah, so these are the few steps to configure your WordPress in your local host server. So this is a option to visit your website. Yeah, so that's a default website. You can prefer any one of theme. There is a lot of themes available, so I can add a new one. A lot of themes are available in WordPress. You can opt any one of them according to your need. Most of the popular themes, latest themes, and favorites as well are displayed at here. So in this, I'll prefer this one and just click on install. It will be installed in your front end. WordPress is an easy CMS which will be help to create any of your website or a blog in a few minutes. You just have to take a patience, and there will be an internal service error. Maybe it could be a update fail. So I'll show you another one. Okay, this one is a by default theme. Okay, I'll just activate this one. It's 2014. So now this one is my blog or a website. So you can opt any one of themes, and you can upload as well if you want to. If you bought any one of themes from this, and as you have seen that most of themes I should prefer, and there is a lot of themes I should prefer in my most of the blogs, and like, and there is an option you can buy any theme from my portal. That's, you can buy any of theme from there. There is an op You can opt any one of themes. Lot of themes are available. It's, you can choose by categories, and according to your CMS type you can write down any keyword, and you can view and buy at a few minutes. There is a low price themes which you can check. In the description I'll write down the link of a theme, and if you want to buy, you can buy any one of them for your theme website. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel SEORamanArora.com, SEORamanArora, and my website is SEORamanArora. And if you have any query, you can email me in my email ID, and it's SEORamanArora @ gmail.com, or SEO @ SEORamanArora.com. So thank you so much. Have a good day.